Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an O2 sensor in a Subaru Forester. First, ensure your vehicle is cool and parked on a level surface. Gather your tools, including an oxygen sensor socket, a ratchet, and a jack. Always wear safety glasses. Next, locate the correct oxygen sensor. There are usually two, one upstream and one downstream. Finally, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery to prevent electrical issues during the replacement process. Now let's get that old sensor out. Safely lift your Subaru Forester using a jack and place it securely on jack stands. Once you have access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the oxygen sensor. This connector can sometimes be a bit stubborn, so take your time. Then, using your specialized oxygen sensor socket and a ratchet, loosen the old sensor by turning it counterclockwise. Once loose, you can unscrew it by hand and remove it completely. With the old sensor removed, it's time for the new one. Before installation, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of the new oxygen sensor. This helps prevent it from seizing in place later. Carefully hand-thread the new sensor into its port to ensure it's not cross-threaded. Once it's snug, use your oxygen sensor socket to tighten it firmly, but do not over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click, ensuring a secure connection. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight. Then, carefully lower your Subaru Forester from the jack stands. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, checking for any warning lights on your dashboard. If a check engine light persists, you might need to clear the code with an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.